Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out BONK's price chart, and now I am seeing some extremely optimistic signs, basically confirming, you know what, we have hit our final low and we are looking very much bullish. Why? Because if you want to argue that in terms of Elliott's waves we have hit our final low around here, then okay, show me off of the lowest low, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up in order for me to be able to flip bullish. This specific structure is called an impulsive movement. Rules for it are we should not have overlapping of the waves between wave 2 and 4 and in any kind of 5 wave. Wave 3 should not be the smallest wave, and in terms of the sub waves, you know this story. 5 wave up into wave 1, 3 and 5. There we go. And for our corrections for wave 2 and 4, we can have so many different scenarios, doesn't really matter. Let's say ABC into 4 and sure, a WXY structure into wave 2. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening. And if you remember the last time that we talked about BONK, I think we were right around here, and I definitely got the short-term structures wrong because I was saying this is a strong move down followed by a correction, so we may see another move down, but then after it we want to see a continuation of the move up. So as you can see, the move down did not happen, but we definitely thankfully got our move on the upside, and what a strong move this was. Let's just measure it from here to about the highs. As you can see, this is about a 22% move up, which in the short term it is definitely not that bad, but that's not really the main point. The main point is now I can tell you, look, this initial move off of the lowest low is a 5 wave followed by a correction down, another 5 wave up, correction down, and I'm actually inclined to say probably we had in this phase an A, B, C, D, E, and then this is another 5 wave on the upside, and guess what, on a higher degree probably this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up, which is, we talked about it earlier, a very bullish sign, suggesting in BONK most likely we have hit our final low right in here. So 5 waves on the upside in my view do not really get a whole lot more clear than this. That's why I would like to be extremely optimistic in here. Now, can we have some other counts? Absolutely. For example, if you really want to be optimistic, you can even say that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, another move into 5, which on a higher degree is going to be into wave 3, correction for 4, another move into wave 5, suggesting this move is going to continue for quite some time. This scenario can absolutely be in play, do not get me wrong. However, I don't really want to be that optimistic, so let's just go with having this impulse to about the highest side as long as we are not proven otherwise. And here is a very important point for you. Even if you want to be 100% bullish and you want to go with discount suggesting the bottom is in, okay, after a 5 wave up, what are we going to have? You know the answer, a move on the downside. So in case for the next couple of days you see a move down in BONK, do not panic. Odds are it's actually quite normal, and in fact it might be part of the bullish process, suggesting on a higher degree, assuming that in here we are going to have certain characteristics, and also we're going to be able to find all the right subwaves. This can be 5 up into 1, correction for wave 2, and what's next? Huge move on the upside into wave 3 and 4 and 5. So this, my friends, is why I am so bullish in BONK. But in the short term, if we get a move down, please do not panic. It's gonna be quite normal, and I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in BONK's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.